In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your sales process using Monday.com. Ensuring a seamless flow in your sales tasks is crucial for business growth, and automation can save you a lot of time. Let's go through this step by step so you can get your sales process automated in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you are on the site, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to getting started on automating your process. After clicking Login, you will be prompted to choose how you want to log in. Today, we're going to keep it simple by using Google. Click on the Google option and select your Google account from the list provided. Once your details are verified, you'll be directed to your Monday.com dashboard. Now that you're in, navigate to your specific workspace and locate your sales board. This board is your starting point for setting up automation. Move your cursor towards the top right again. Here you'll find the Automate button. Go ahead and click that. By doing this, you're opening the door to a variety of automation recipes that Monday.com offers to streamline your tasks. In the automation window, you'll see a search bar. Type the word form into this search bar. As you type, various options will appear, but you are looking for templates related to forms. Choose a template that best fits your business needs. Keep in mind while selecting a template that if it requires connecting to a Typeform account, it'll prompt you, so be sure to have your Typeform details handy. After you have selected and connected any necessary accounts, it's time to set up the automation. This might involve defining specific triggers and actions that suit your sales process requirements. For instance, you could set it so that when a new lead fills out a form, it automatically assigns a sales representative, adding it to a task list. Take your time to carefully choose and input the parameters that align with your business workflow. Once you have configured the automation to your satisfaction, look for the Create Automation button within the Setup window. Clicking this button will finalize your automation. And that's it. You have successfully automated your sales process on Monday.com. Remember, reviewing and fine-tuning these settings over time can enhance efficiency even more. By setting up these automations, you create a self-updating system that keeps your sales team focused on what matters most, closing deals. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope your sales processes run smoother than ever.